Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Mein Name ist Viggy. And ich mache live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. Wenn man fängt an the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. What helps me and the channel out tremendously, so thank you for that. And also that you can be a channel member. That would greatly help out the channel. Weil gemacht the content besser, and breiter, and schöner. With time. Ook het. Ga posten de address. Die me kan schicken. A package or whatever they will schicken. See the unboxing. Was is scheduled for Monday. 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. Ook het van mijn guide. Dat verzoeken 100%ly. Positively. 1,000,000%. Dus absolutely nicht. Not financial advice. So please be very careful. De market is wegnemen alles wat die hast. So please. Be very careful. Kijk eens hoe we kinderen zijn met een adult. Dus spelen Lego. That's all. Alright, let's jump right into it. Call me. Hello and welcome. How you doing? Ungefähr ein bisschen cello music. Aber wir dürfen weg an der Fin. Because nicht. Wie soll ich feel jetzt? Let's do this. Bell rock. Good sunshine morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Scheint er zu sein. Ze beglandt is campaign. Zet niet geen navullen in ween. Die Seite kijkt met naar sterken oder arcade. Voert met de airplane. Het is een moe geschehen. Zie away. How's everybody doing this morning? Die is BH. Nice. Hier ook het. We're Gucci. Yossi. Bravo. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Ich habe jetzt gemacht der Thai, so salz ich noch in mitten. Zimmer, was ich kann machen dann Kaffee? Mit Viggy. Really do appreciate it. Hello and welcome. Wie Sie gewähnt an Nacht? Wieso ist dann so früh? I'm not grateful. Also ich dachte schon, es ist kein Alarm. Und also ich bin aufgestanden. Let's put it that way. A bisschen Neues. Texas flooding crisis. Rescue operation continues in central Texas after catastrophic floods killed at least 78 people. What a sad story. And with dozens still missing, including 20 girls in a summer camp. More rain is expected. Complicating efforts. This is crazy was geschehen in Texas. Wasser gegangen von 0 to 1,000,000. Just like that. I wish everybody, safety. Typhoon dance impact China. A typhoon decided around the March after devastating Taiwan with record winds, leaving 2 people dead and over 600 injured. Just like that. It's one of those things, but again, if the zahl nicht denies, sie werden depressed. The Welt is a große Welt, and there's a lot of things happening. And we were not built to hear so viel bad news. But I sag, man darf man hören ein bisschen bad news sehen, wie geht's dir geht ins? You know, we do have to see other people suffer sometimes. Not by our doing, just by Mother Nature. There's nothing we can do about it. President Trump imposes 25% tariffs on Japan and South Korea, alongside new tariffs on Malaysia, Kazakhstan, and South Africa, Laos, and Myanmar, effective August 1st. Boss Nation, GG morning. Hello and welcome. How you doing, Boss Nation? This is the One Nation, it is the boss. Mit dem Rief Michael oder Ross. Wenn man sich schnauze gleich man ein Stickel goss. Gold, 3,300. Yeah, it's a schwimmtennis doing the neighborhood, not major moves. The SPY is 620. SPY is 620. Hat das net als Apotheke hit the all-time high, 626? I guess so. Piri-ri-piri-pi. $626.29 steigt. Nope, it's below it. $626.28. Wow. Okay. Didn't know. Bitcoin 108. 108. And the Dow is up 44,398. Okay, laten we doen maar aanleiding doen. Jack. So nice to see you. Good morning. How you doing? How was your day? Wieso ist da noch mit? Obwohl du bist in some other part of the country, other part of the world, I tell you. And zijn we de hartelijk. We do see the hearts coming in. Don't you think we don't see this? We see. Jack is good. Nice. But go for an arrangement, go for a part of the morning community. The morning crew. Always nice to see you. I saw pre-market jumps, but no them total breakdown. So gaan sleep te zijn. Sag mal, wenn man steht auf, and man just not in a mood, oder in a gute mood, oder vielleicht ein Stück bekackte mood. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes, wie man Chaber Hershey so. You just gotta sit in it. Do not fight it. Do not send it away. It's okay. Man darf nur gedenken, that mañana might be total better. Ich habe es gesagt mal, ich edit videos and Aber so, ich hätte das Video von einer heute zurück. Kann ich sehen, als ich bin gewesen in einer bad mood an der Tag. In Hand bin ich in einer gute mood. So it's like a weird... sag mal, meint man, das ist der Ende von der Welt. You know them, then you see, no, it's not the end of the world. So sag mal schwer, zu sehen auf der Minute, I give you that. But we get just a heads up for Menschen at him, like, I am in a pissy mood. Give me my space, you know what I mean? $8:57. Menschen was dann nicht aufgestanden haben. Hopefully they are in heaven. Let's put it that way. Kenya, Sabah aftermath. Following violent protest on July 7, 2025, resulting 10 to 11 deaths and a dozen injured. Political leaders and agencies are issuing follow-up statements. The Senate resumes sitting today. In een andere country, pittig. Iran crackdown of dissents. The Iranian regime is intensifying receptions of political prisoners post-ceasefire, promoting global protest in Berlin, Stockholm, and Geneva against death sentence. The Iranians most probably are going crazy. Ik heb gezien een video wie ze supposedly, allegedly, aufgepickt über 700 Israeli agents, die haben gearbeitet für die Israelis. Just imagine it's a slow gata so viel, ob es ja ist. If it's you take it on face value, what a mission, what a mission. For some reason habe ich mir demand, als wie geleint, als noch einmal kommen, wenn man jemand ausleisen, Menschen von Ghettos oder von Death Camps, noch ein paar Tage sind sie zurückgekommen. They didn't really know what to do with their life. Aber ich jetzt demand, because CNN hat immer gehabt, wegen der Iranians, sie haben es gemacht, wie sie gehen jetzt ran in der Prison, sie treffen dort in einem. Typical CNN, sie sagen liegend. But alle 700 gehen jetzt in prison or death penalty depending on their crimes, and they're just gonna want death to the regime. Supposedly, I sag Menschen in Iran sind against the regime. They want regime change, you know. Federal prosecutors in Texas charged 10 people with attempting murder after an ambush outside of ICE facilities. They just halted a Trump bill provision defunding Planned Parenthood medical services. Over. Say mention attempted murder. Whew. They ain't going home so fast. The guy is schon nicht daheim. Nicht so schnell. Brooklyn. Good morning, Brooklyn. How are you? What's going on? Wieso gewinnt danach? So geschämt im Mod, den ganzen Ballad. But welcome. Ich gehe weiter machen dann so free mit Viggy. 9:03. In de koffie gaat maar drie. Aus Heden nach Ski. Met Hubengefühl. Met zergeben nach Spiel. Zet fall nach Thiel. Met painten de room a color für Natil. Para pa pa pia pa. Trump signed a trade deal with India. Is close to finalization. Okay. Noch ist gesigned. Ins hat man nicht. Man vergesst, mit der so viel Neues, die tariffs are kicking in, and bringt daran billions. The question is, man geht sehen the difference, what's gonna happen. Was ist geschehen mit Doge? Was ist geschehen mit der Doge? Are they still pumping? Are they still doing it? Are they still... Oh, das ist schon over. Es ist schon yesterday's news. Matching geblowt a fuse. Wir sind gefahren auf a cruise. Pa pa da pa pa da da. Okay, lass mal sehen. Today's moves are gonna be worth it. Nimmt er 235, see a 480. The Amazon is the plan move. Oh, nice. Thank you. Hat is Amazon Prime. Lass mir dir geben a Schikali, ich kann cry. We won't do the time. All right, hold on. There you go. Skoyach Brooklyn. I appreciate it. The guy posting to a link. Die kaufst an Sachen auf Amazon and you don't mind. Die clicks this, the next 24 hours, whatever you buy, I get a small percentage. And it costs you garnished. Has nothing to do with you. You don't need to do anything, fill out any paperwork. Nada. So if you don't mind, it's a clickety-click away. But thank you, Brooklyn. Chaim. Hello, Chaim. How are you? How's it going? $908. Zo wij het echt, also wie het echt gezegd, alles geht zo gezegd echt. The best way of saving is not buying, which I kind of agree. But ooit met darf hopen Sachen, like I sag, wo die mist hopen. Trying to think, is there something I must have? No, not really. I'm fortunate. I'm super fortunate as I have alles. I must say. Very lucky and fortunate. Although ich darf jetzt kaufen Ski, Boots, mein Boots hat sich zerrissen. I need my hiking boots, so. Aber sie machen schon nicht die Eco-Boots, die sie gehabt. They don't make it anymore. So man darf kaufen alte Models. Als je zullen gaan weg van Echo, huh? Maybe it's time to leave Echo, huh? Alles geht. We just spoke about you. We just spoke about you. Do you like the Swiss one? Weiß ich, wie das heißt. They don't make it anymore. Just a regular schwarze high-top boots from Echo. So I'm going to machen mit der back as a brace in the back, but it's not comfortable for me. So, ich habe gekauft auf eBay, habe ich gekauft Boots, und es hat sich zerrissen. Bei der ersten Hike. So, ich habe es auf zurückschicken. Ich habe gefragt, sie hat noch eins, so we'll buy that. It's just an experience. Aber es kann dann echt soll ich weggehen von Echo Boots. Wer sucht, dass ich darf oben Echo Boots? Echo meant rugged track, mid-black, waterproof hiking boots. 45, size 45. Ich habe es gekauft von einer Gebermann auf eBay. Es hat sich zerrissen, die Boots. Und whatever, ich habe in Kontakt mit ihm und mit zurückgeschickt das Geld, ich habe zurückgeschickt die Boots. Question is, do I buy again from him, or? I mean, the service is giving good, so there was no, you know. Und ich weiß nicht, warum ich bin also, well, ich weiß ja für was, weil ich habe schon Echoes for the longest time. Sneakers bin ich nicht der größte Fan, weil ich darf Ankle Protection, you know, wenn ich walk. Ich liebe Ankle Protection. Most Echo boots on eBay are not real. That's what I felt like, because it's like a ripped by the erste hike. But they don't make those boots anymore. But that should einfach weggehen von Echo, meaning was bin ich also verkauft für Echo. Ich hatte auch gute track record, but maybe we should try another boots. Aber einer weiß, wenn noch ein Boot, was man kann trying, maybe I should do that. Is eBay reliable? Well, so gearbeitet von mir, ich habe gekauft ab erst, dass ich zerrissen, ich habe es zurückgeschickt and everything went smooth, so. On boots are amazing. So heißt on boots. What was that? Let's go to Amazon. On boots. On boots format. Never had that. But is es gemacht worden? Okay, they do tips. Is on boots Timberland? But we can hike with them. Is it comfortable to hike? Work boot. What the hell is now work boot? And it's pricey. Okay, it might be pricey, but I mean, as a last, as a Echo boots. But ich sehe nicht. Alles geht so, was wir trying. Try crane boots? Hold on. Let's take one at a time. 9:15. 15 minutes bis the market efter tog. Sellers on eBay do not have to accept your return request, so be careful. Oh, I see. Erot is accepted. So the question is, do I trust him again? Do I? What is the thingy, you know? Wow, 240. 240, my man. But there's an ankle protection. Oh, you zoekst in general. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Ja, aber alles geht Crane-Boots is nicht. Not what I'm looking for, not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for hiking boots. Ze haben du for $43 a boots. But is this meant for hiking? Steel toe boots for men. It's a steel toe shirt. Sam. Hello and welcome, Sam. How you doing? YouTube needs to send you a big check when hitting 3,000 subscribers. Well, I kind of hope so. But the 3,000 Fazai is a joke, really. Really, for them, it's a joke. To be honest, you know? Deze de zaak. The numbers zijn skewed versus numbers van de droostende geweld, ja? Oh, I see what you're saying, Yossi. Okay. We'll take that into account. We'll take that into Heshbon. We'll take that into Heshbon. So, Sam, terug to die 3,000 subscribers for the in droostende geweld is like literally nada. So we nemen literally kikker echt niet op the subscriber account. Because I know it's not really, that's not what I'm going for. That's not what I'm doing, you know? It's definitely a starting point. Yes. But I feel like jeder einer was redt Yiddish. Jeder einer was redt Yiddish subscribe to their channel. It won't be enough. It won't be like, wow. Ich red von the, you know, what's out there really. So wie jeder it's red mir das Sach von dem, weil wenn Menschen mit Geld, davon nach Schiel mit Menschen, was haben nicht kein Geld in der droostende Welt. Once you make money, moves that on in a rachere neighborhood, in a gated community. You don't remember the old friends. Du kan man nog parken, mijn video kan weer een park leven, maar mensen zo 3 million followers, you know? So. No, I'm saying like it doesn't really make a difference of the views necessarily. The subscribers, meaning it's under the numbers. But hey. the goal gewinnt 2000 bei Pesach. And my house almost by 3. So I'll take that. 922. Ten years from now, you're gonna have millions of followers. Millions, that's achbra. So you can retire early. Duh. But again, ergens wie du also wie an equivalent numbers, right? Like, meaning, was heißt bei der draußenige Welt a successful account versus in die jüdische Welt? In der Gereden ist viele, let's say, von, wie heißt die andere Channels, wo sie reden Yiddish, wo sie reden English, like, seine jiddische Channels, wo sie reden English, like, meaningful minute. Sie sind dann auch nicht no. They're also not the other half of the situation. It's nicht so wie, no, what can I say? Like, latest talks is equivalent, was reden Yiddish-ish, mainly. Nachi. Nachi redt auch is Yiddish. So it's a funny genre. Ellie Weber redt Yiddish. Wie heißt der? Polish Talks redt Yiddish. But Sam, thank you for trachting from my retirement. I appreciate it. What happened to latest talk? I don't know. Es ist sehr schwer. The industry is sehr schwer. If you think about it, you run out of people. You run out of things in the Yiddish Welt. You run out of things to... I feel Ungar, Schmili Ungar, ja, I looked like I moved studios, but gedacht nehmen a break. Let's be real. Because es ist schwer zu treffen Menschen. So you can go hike forever. Go take a hike, Sam. Go take a hike. Man kann es nehmen. Vater schickt mal Häuser. Then you can put 1 million and one step at it. Health is wealth, they say. Yes. Was hast du denn an alle wealth, die bist in a wheelchair? At least I get a wheelchair. But it does on a balance. But I get the health and I get the bank account, if you know what I mean. Or get married to someone rich. getting married to somebody rich is very complicated. It's very complicated. It's very, very complicated. It can be very restricting. Very restrictive. Hey, Regen. Look at the money, not brains or beauty. Yeah, but if it's wollen mit a dumb Miese, if you know what I'm saying. You need to collaborate with Mr. Beast. Wenn man fragt the schwachere channel, do you want to collaborate with anybody hecher? Of course, geht man sagen yes. It's usually the hechere that collaborate with the lower one. He doesn't need a lot. He just needs to live comfortable. He wants to buy a Cybertruck, a big house, and go camping. To the small things in life. So wie einer sagt, darf ein kleiner, a measly $14 million. Gut nicht. Gut nicht. Sam, was noch darf ein Mensch in his life? Was noch darf er? Jeder will manieren zijn nefesh. Bij de end van de game, weißt du, was jeder eine will? A Benkel mit a Kestel zu legen de Fies, a Haus bei der Ricken mit a beautiful view. And that's it. Working for money is a scam. No, not for not for everybody. Not for everybody. Kann ich ja wegmachen Arbeit. Some people, they don't have an issue with work. Some people are very work-oriented. Oriental. You know what I mean? So, du hast auch Menschen, was haben a inner talent, and because they went through some certain upbringing, and it wasn't, sind nicht geworden rausgescharfen für sie. And now they're working in a warehouse, or they drive my truck, or they're doing something that they feel like they want to rip themselves apart. Grapstabber? You get what I'm saying? Ich habe gerade sie a 15-year-old. We came at a barbecue. So I passed him. I'm like, oh, the Mensch gemacht der Barbecue is a nephew. And I frage him like, oh, what does? Frage him like, oh, so what do you do? Is in yeshiva. So I frage him like, what do you? What does a 15-year-old kid like? Wie lange is gewesen apart in, you know, in the area? So I frage him. Doet him nothing. He doesn't know. Frage him, hast du any hobbies? Zero. Sat my watch, looking for a shaycha, 2,000 a week. Sam, lachen hier, lachen hier. We can't come covering the bills. How do you say no to the shaychet, huh? For a raise. Halt am Essen. 9:31. The market hat sich geöffnet. The market hat sich geöffnet. But I must say, I have keine Morde in the market. The market has been jumpy-wumpy, I tell you. Sir, put down the knife. You're not getting a raise. Put down both knives. Call the police. Viggy wrote to 3K. Yes. But just so you should know, like, when a guy comes and says 3K, weiß man wartet so stark, 3K. And man geht und says 3K, then what? Nothing really changes. In the Yiddish sphere, in subscribers, there's like not really any major milestones, you know? The milestone would be when I have sponsorships, you know? Ads. That would make a difference. If you want to fast forward to 3K, make funny videos out of the box. Ich kann nicht machen Sachen, wo ich nicht mich, you know what I mean? Ich mache nicht Videos für sich oben. Wenn ich will oben, will ich oben. Wenn ich will nicht oben, will ich nicht oben. Und fertig. Maybe the YouTube will post your channel more because they see they have steady subscriber count. Yep. But like I said, for Zai subscribers, die 3000 subscribers sind gut nicht. Sie haben so viele Users. That it doesn't really mean anything to them. And I'm aware of that. It's not like I'm saying, ich verstehe sie nicht. In so einer kleinen Section, wo sie sich herangehabt in the bigger world. Obviously, you're not sitting on YouTube for fun. Yeah, Sam, but it takes a lot. It takes a lot. It takes. In a feel die grab schon ja the ganze attention there is. I say once as ich hab subscribers, ich meine members mit sponsorships, you would see that I would make different things. Just it's not really be a koiles, bekommen der koile. Yankee T. That's okay. We welcome you anyways. How are you, Yankee? Ich meine nur, dass ich davon machen mehr Videos, Reviews, nicht auf live. You know, the live Sache is like slowing things down because people say they don't have like 2-3 hours to watch, which I understand, obviously. Put on the melody from yesterday with Uri. This is about the morning vibes. This is the morning vibes. Die Nächtige mit Hershey Weinbiger in Betty Weber. What a show. That was crazy. I don't know. It like hit me in a different spot. Any good deals on Amazon Prime deal? I have no idea. Where are the Buchen from Israel still sleeping? I guess so. Maybe there's things happening, you know. Brooke ist so funny. Wenn sie seinen du, schreibt man, go out. In Kopf schreibt man so. But wenn sie seinen nicht do, like, oh, we missed those guys. Wie ist Zach and Jack? Jackie do gehen halten free? No? No. Yeah, Jack is ranking for a minute. That's how it goes. We miss the noise, but when we have the noise, we don't want the noise. So wie einiglich almost. Like, bring er bij de einiglich, neem weg de einiglich, bring ze er bij. Wie is dan de einiglich? It's one of those things. Which is okay. Which is okay. You can't take the live and cut it up. Ja, ik ken die al. And I should definitely do that. I do that sometimes. But so auch ich red sie Menschen. So people don't like that. There's halt mit a review and all of a sudden red ich sie dir oder. So they get like, are you talking to me or are you talking to them? We're waking up now, don't worry. Bij time I get cheated was vleegt iemand overwekken in camp. Vleegt overwekken. En de boek vleegt zo, yeah, I'm gonna wake up soon. You better, otherwise leave my favorite condition. Prime deals are not so good this time around. Nothing crazy standing out. But if you need something and you wait for Prime Day, maybe it pays, you know? But stam, sie treffen Sachen, weil es ist billiger. Well, no, don't do that. You have to make more backpacking videos. Looks like how many views you got backpacking video. I do, but backpacking videos nimmt Zeit. Sie nimmt Zeit, ich darf actually gehen hiken. Es ist nicht so wie ich rennt einem müsste din. So, it has to fit into the schedule. But technically I should do it. By the way, it is geedited so beautifully it is geedited. Nuchi is geedited. It was just beauty. The way it is geedited. Companies are afraid of tariffs. Yeah. It's indecisive. Like nobody really knows what's up, you know? Like everything is up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. It's like almost we don't care. That's what happens, Larry. That's what happens. But listen, it's darf man dem bull in the China shop, you know? We need that bull in the China shop. You could also go biking videos and stuff once you do a little challenge stuff like people would. Yeah. For me, you'll see things will change once you do a little members. We gewollt machen a road trip. Kaufen a station wagon or something like that, a alte vehicle, a 100 Schnitz a month, in machen a road trip damit. In machen a video. But ich darf sponsorships, you know. It all boils down to the money by the end of the game. You know, there's people who kennen gehen auf Vacation. Mit alles, sie können weglegen seine issues, seine pains. Ich bin nicht so. Ich bin sehr nicht so. Like, and for sure, BJJ. Oh, I would love to. Aber mich schicken blockage. Some mental blockage habe ich im Kopf. Zurück und zu haben Jiu-Jitsu. But I definitely should. It's such a must. Sei so wie Peisach mit Must. Dach mal up and do the beat. Get you all up on the feet. Oh yeah. Let's go. We'll do the flow. It will be for show. It's before you know. Wolf is gegangen totally not the direction I wanted. So mit der wegnehmen du der Oder, und ich auch geben mal Kauf später. 253, 257, 275, 20 cent. YG, hello and welcome. How you doing? Not what you're doing now. How you doing? YG, I remember you told me stuff, you know? Brooklyn, wie kickst du auf Amazon, like just to browse? Ich bin also nicht kein Shopper, also reifel nicht auf Amazon. BH, YG's BH. We like Summer Underwear. How do I spue? They do a mic stand for $23. How was that for a mic stand? I absolutely do not need a mic stand. Oh, nice. Ich bin ein Zanisch Shopper, that which car do I have? How about Toyota Avalon? A 2008 Toyota Avalon. I was gekauft in 2009 in March. In March 2009. Since a 08 Toyota Avalon. Darf actually hand guy nemen for an oil change. Left me and it was too late. It's not blade. Das ist die Sache mit Reden. Man darf schon sitzen auf der Hand. Und nicht werden, shape Taraben. Also Ben Tara shape. Geef maar chaparu papu dolle. Geef maar chiparu bafalle. It's all about the money. It's all about the money. I used to lease that car. What a car, by the way. No, since you got sunroof, but yeah. If it wouldn't have been old, like, and you know, ältere Sache darf man watchen, I wouldn't want to get rid of it. I don't want to get rid of it, that's for sure. But if I am getting another car, when I'm getting another car, I want to get another 20-year car. I will keine 10 Sachen, like camping and stuff like that. I would love to go camping. It's got me going camping. That's it. We got it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make food at home, and we're gonna go camping. And so typical, als gaat gießen. Like 3 years ago, we got a friend, jeder moet hem nog getracht gaan camping. Regen. How much miles do you have on it? 170, I would say. It was $450 a month back in the day. That's some back in the day stuff. Okay, so Kiktos V Saturday is 87 and cloudy. 15% chance of rain. Okay. We will hopefully we'll do that. Like, I never understood, why would you lease a car? Why would you put 3 years money into a car and then just give it back and start from square one? Zach is back. Good morning. He is here without no lack. Everybody say hello, Zach. He's right on track. Welcome. Wat gefreakt. Where are the boys? And the boys have arrived. Ja, ich juck mich nicht. But can't really go, wie heißt das? Like camping with it. I used to go camping with it. But, you know, is auch, dass es zerbrecht sich, kann ich mich schon da reingehen. Hast du noch eins? You know, gotta watch the Mr. Bersel. Von wo lohnt sich nicht? Yellow badge, Zach in the house. Yes, Zach, we do appreciate that. Thank you. The reason, okay, again, Brooklyn, all depending on the financial situation. Meaning, dus gebouwd a business and a business macht Geld. Und der Geld was invested. And the investment Geld get it zurück. Geld. And you want to lease a car because you can, and this is okay, I understand. But if starting off life leasing a car, you drive it different, you don't respect it. Wees schon bored, willst danach. Bored? Freitag die aus der Car. It took me places when ich nicht gehabt, literally gas money. I used to go to a friend, pflege him aufpicken, let's say. We fuhren to the gas station, I rang like $10-15 wert für gas. And then went to buy coffee or get coffee and chill for an hour or two. Hast der lease, the endings der lease, gehst zurück der Car. Heute gut, ist gut nicht. Sam, oil change, do you have a Chapter 11 bankruptcy? Ich walk around mit der Pischke. Ich habe auf der Pischke like, how much is the oil change? You know? But ich rede für starting. Obviously, I just gebought a financial business. I mean, a Geld. Was gebought Geld? Hast gebaut a business, hast gebaut something, hast a wegelei Geld, hast invested in the market get the zurück dividends, you know, whatever, of course. But if you wake up every morning and die guys arbeiten, schwer, and that money you pay for a lease, waste the money. So dein friend kann gehen, es kauft eine neue Car, immer respect nicht der Car. That means that you break a car. A car nicht gemacht worden to drive like that. When did you become? I'm asking how long it took you to 3K subs. I have uploaded my channel actually October 7, 2011. My first video. But kijk when my first live video gewesen. I would say 6 years ago. But I took periods. It didn't happen in one like. So genommen, you know, sad. It took some time. Is ook het, wenn ich op YouTube bin ich gemein YouTube also wie Hand, meaning the Yiddish content. Jetzt du sag mir jeden drauf, sag mir content. Once you got teenagers in the house, you need 3 cars. Yeah, but you wouldn't lease them cars. You should just buy old clunkers. You know? And if you appreciate the things you have, the more happier you are. Und man meint am least, also wie einer sucht mir, also kauft eine neue Car. Hat eine alte Van, like, also alt wie mein Car, I would say. Seine Tochter lässt mich aufpicken für School, schämt sich. That's funny. Yes. Zach. You know, a car, ich denke einmal, wenn a car, no difference the name was a thing. Hand hat es team mit welcher car und wie scheint es ist, buy a minivan and to lease. And auch da, Brooklyn, it all depends on your life situations, wie die bist in life. But ich read, somebody that starts working should not lease a car, should buy a car. Should buy a car, kaufen die Kleider bei Bazaar. Zahn ich dann Chavers nar. Kauf ich a car, dann Chavers oder so, wow, wie scheiße ist. Und ich verstehe, jeder will sagen, cool, I get it. MCTS. Hello and welcome. Yes. Wanna go camping? Yes, I do wanna go camping. Der Geistig darf sich unzen. We need to go. Amtrak 48 hours. But the Amtrak 48 hours cost Geld. Alles gets. You know what I mean? It's all money. And my printing machine, my money machine, has been taking a break. Morgen nimmen sie dem als Eig. Printen sie flaked. You know? Now it just flakes. And when I turn it on, it just shakes. Kids piss me off. Funny to the Matmacha story back in the day. It's flame met a Chavamaner. One of my oldest friends, Zantata got a car. So we used to take it at night. We used to steal it. But some shot geld for gas. So one day, whatever, in the Metzerige came on, like, let's say 5 o'clock in the morning, so we park the car. Zantata is rausgekommen, like literally 3 minutes später, setzt sich ran, the car, 0 gas, the car is ungefahren. Everything is like working. That was so funny. So we had kein Geld for gas. In Brooklyn, die weiß, they say, oh, I'll fill it up tomorrow. Oh, this is such a piss off. Because tomorrow, that's the food to the gas station. Time is money, so I don't see the trade-off. Verstehe nicht that question, Sam. They shouldn't be getting the car next time, you know what I mean? Zoeken einfach Kinder. Zoeken einfach Kinder. Jeder eine Basinder. Wie schäferliche Rinder. Jeder dort ist Basinder. We'll just huben gesinnte Kinder. That's all we need. MCTS, die guys camping? You're a camper? Ra-pa-pa-pa. Lakewood got released from jail. I hope they post on bail. Now he's gonna knock it in. It says definitely he's on cup via nail. Now he's walking with his high hand behind his tail. His tail behind his high end. Yeah? Is that the right word? Ja, we zijn op zijn video en echt die hakt hij nog. Would love to. I'm tuned into camping this summer. Need a push. Let's go to a bridge. I will give you a push. I'm kidding. MCS, we're joking. Yo, ik heb ook dat push. I also need like a camping push. This is nicht easy. It's nicht easy. What a crazy Lakewood story, yeah? If it is what they say it is, then it's crazy. I single-handedly brought this channel to life.
Sam, huh?
Big battle ahead. But I understand. Brooklyn, ich verstehe nicht. But ist nur ein Mensch gesagt etwas? Like, that's such a crazy thing. Und dann muss man ihm zurücksuchen. Von überdrehenden Nerven. Und mit dem deporten, aber das ist illegal. What's this? Like, it's funny as I hear say, she says situation. He say. Can werden als ein ganzer Chabdrodl. It's crazy. Like, man darf machen as a punishment that if somebody lies about somebody else, like whatever, is do like a crazy punishment. Like, don't blame. Like, don't say things on others. Send the video to Viggy. Yes, somebody, please send me the video. I wanna. He should investigate. There was a probable cause to arrest him. I mentioned, what's the probable cause? As I gerät sie ihm durch a window von a car. Again, ich habe nicht gesehen the video, so I don't know. And again, Oibs is Emma's. Soll der Ingerman haben, what comes him, you know? What comes his way. But please. What's this? Oib, I need the video. He should investigate. Yes, we should all investigate. But it's crazy, as why should a 15-year-old lie? Why not? Why? What do you mean, why? Lying? Ja, bist da so erstaunt, dass ein Mensch kann liegen so? Bei der 15 Jahren kann liegen? I'm not saying, I don't know the story, so basically, ob sie du etwas sagen, was ich weiß nicht, I only heard the story do by the chat, do by ins. And supposedly at no geretse door of the window in the car. Like, so I don't know. Under the law, if ZPA kid claims sexual assault is banned. I see what's happening. See? This is lazazach. Oi me weet geboor as is this. Zach, if you're saying what is true, yes, if you're saying that's true, and het is geteam van dem, darf man rauswerfen jede Meinung. Mit der goldene Boss. Soll nicht machen Affos. Joseph. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Schein dir zu sehen. Sometimes the 15-year-old wants blackmail and tells his child what to say. Oof. Straight to jail, straight to jail. Overcooked fish, right to jail. Zach, that's not true, sagt All right? Einer hat the video do, what's geschehen? Anybody has whatever supposedly happened? MCTS, bist du mal gegangen camping? Have you ever been camping before? On the dusty hoop, my first class store. Hope it won't be a bore. It will go down to the core. We'll take everything apart. But MCTS. I believe I have all the gear. I mean, yeah. Okay, so we're going into this weekend. There's Shabbos camping. Hopefully. Need a class. It was gonna be brass. I sag ja. Hiking I do. Nice. But hiking as in you sleep over or just walking? They will not deport the kid. It might delay the process since the birth of citizenship was denied. Supreme Court last week. They will not become an automatic citizen. Good. And they're not even proud to be an American. I did a few 48-hour camping. Nice. Alles geht's. The Alliance? Oh, like walking? To do hiking in and out, day hiking, and also do staying overnight hiking. No sleepover hiking. Camping is camping, right? If you're sleeping over at night in the vault, that's camping. It falls under that category. Wo sich sehr usually newbies machen, mistake, zij bringen sehr sach essen. Like over the top food. And you don't need that much food. And now the guys bringen chat pami, meaning paper goods. If you're gonna bring paper goods, you should better bring huge garbage bags. And we only usually bringen. We brengt as a harte plastic like you can wash. You can pay me enough. You can't pay me enough to go camping for 2 hours. Brooklyn. Nobody's forcing you. Well, we are. Oh, you better. With a group of 20 sleeping over in camping tents. Nice. That's nice. MCTS, do you have any gear? Do you have any gear? So basically what you need is like this. You need to decide if you're going to sleep in a tent or in a hammock. Those are the two things that you need to figure out. Dogtail? Oh. Yeah. She wants some Robbies. She wants some love, you know? You as a victim of certain crimes, use sexual assault, have suffered physical or mental abuse, and they're willing to help the law enforcement in the investigation. This was taken off Google. On the French Alps. Whew, alles gets. You just say the French Alps. And we just smelt, I tell you. Look, if you come camping one time, we will be paying to go again. Camping can be miserable. That's the problem with camping, that you can go one time camping and be miserable. Bring her in. The hammock is way easier, depending on your situation. It's not easier or harder, it's just different. Now, the guy schlafen in a tent, you need the tent, and then you need... No. But when you say exposed, what do you mean? What do you mean exposed? I don't want to assume what you're saying, so I want to... So, I'll start like this. All the guys lopen in a tent, that's the tent, and you need sleeping. So, depending on how you like sleeping on the floor. To animals, no. The same as much as tents. Nog gezien naar beer. See what guy like, oh, you're in a tent? No. Hammock? Oh, I'll eat you. It doesn't, there's no, you're hanging off a tree. Nothing is happening. I get your fear, MCTS. I get your this, but it's not real, not... So, attend af met de tent en ook het sleeping arrangements. Meaning, je wil slapen of ze do they like egg shape because you don't sleep on the floor directly, and you need a sleeping bag, and you need like a little pillow. That's for in the tent, and then you have to bring food, but you don't bring crazy food. Like you only bring minimal food. You bring a chair. Bring Miss Dog in. She's under the table. Die ist Pech in Schwebel. Gebegeben maar kikkoen. Sie sitzen früher auf dem Floor. Gebegeben maar kikkoen. Sie sagen, oh, we're getting scratches today, aren't we? Hey, hello, Cutie. I'll give you, because he wants to see you come up. Come up on that. Wedgie. Yes. All right, that's it. Okay, one more. Oh. You think? Okay, that's it. Down. No. The worst thing is to wake up in the morning with no fresh water. Yeah, I'm gonna get stretchy, I know. Brooklyn zoekt high amber. Yes. Such a cutie. That's it. No more scratching. Go in. Ze beginnen alles. Alles geht so. The worst thing is to wake up without fresh water. Yes. We nehmen du Wasser. Always have water. That's the sound effect that I made after reading Brooklyn's comment. These are Oakley boots. No, I don't feel that this is real hiking boots. I'm saying like... Nah, ich darf ankle protection. I ain't going into the woods with no ankle protection. That's for shizzle dizzle. Not doing that. Ich darf high-top boots. For me, that's me. I was thinking maybe to do a review without the live on it. We'll see. We'll see. But I must say, ich habe gesehen, der Picture alles geht, finde, hat dieselbe Kleiderung getan wie der erste. Like, what's that? Besides for sunglasses hat umgetan. Du siehst, hat dieselbe Kleider. In is into fashion, I wouldn't care, but is into fashion, look there. And Bumski. The same Kleider. So he's saying he wanted to visit for his parents. And that's why he went on. Nine, the kid was a Spanish. And he wanted, this was Exo, that there is a law that if you go through a case or have a case, you might get the visa or whatever. I don't know. That's what he's saying. So the kid is blaming this guy. Does anybody have the video? Hat einer the video? Was mir that? Come on, send it in. Send it. I'm like kind of curious now. Like, what's this? But it's gonna be yesterday's news tomorrow. There's gonna be yesterday's news. But he approached the kid, not the kid went up to him. Okay. I heard that this guy had a kid in a car. But I don't know. I don't really know. He was maybe a pedo. He likes to play with a feto. Well, I hope not. I would like to believe us as alles bilbilem. A bilbo. Moet men eens grief maar blit bilbo. Dus rief me het aan. What would you call that? Lies, I tell you. Lies. Does anybody have the story? I guess not. Depending if he has any priors. What about any lemafrias? You're saying? If he has some lemafrias, patch mit a bissl achrayes. Ich habe gesehen ein Video, wie einer walkt daran in der Hall. Man gerät noch ein Bail, wie hockt einem. So I'm not sure if that's the guy, but if somebody has more details. Why is it that in our community, when someone is accused of sexual assault, the first thought is often, maybe it didn't really happen? All right. I didn't feel like this what happened here. Just for the information was in Samagaredu. Meaning that he asked him if he wants to work, and he was in a car, and he had a kid in the backseat. So I don't know. We're just trying to figure it out. I didn't say it didn't happen. But innocent until proven guilty. Whoa, Brooklyn. I didn't even read your comment. We said it at the same time. Jinx, my man. That was some specialties, I tell you. It's like you finished my whole entire sandwich. Oh. MCTS at my stamp. I used to write it quick. Beep, beep, beep. I wonder if we use the term when we hear someone. I wonder if we use the term when we hear someone. Pansit? Pansit? No. Pansit. Scammed. I think so, no? Bagambit. Yes, we get it. Bamboozle. Bambastisch. Hat him bamboozled. Macht a refusal. That's why everybody's entitled to bail. Frickin' up, so. But again, in Samagaredu in the story, as they were in a car and he came to him. So I don't want to poo-poo anybody, if you know what I mean. What are you trying to say, MCTS? I'm a bit confused. I am just a bit confused. Yellow badge. Dope it. It was a good one. Not gonna lie, that was a good one. It's a badge of honor, I say. I've been biased, so obviously it's a badge of honor. Ribidi, ribidi. Dovet. Good morning. But MCTS, I believe, I feel like we're not getting your point. I'm not sure what you're trying to say. Kim do an include. Let's hear what you have to say. Ri-ta-da-pa-pa. Quiet, eh? No, met vliegeret. De oilem is chill. Wat moeder met missen zonder bills. Everybody's fine, everybody's fine. Do it, are you making the noise? Are you making the noise? No. Down. Good boy. Good boy. What's going on with you? David. What's going on with you, David? David, make some noise. That's what we want, David. Come on, make some noise. Let's go, make some noise. Nice, David. Shh. David, what's with the noise? What's with the noise? He will down with the poise. If it's money or fraud, we believe right away that it's gossip for a few hours. We never say innocent until proven guilty, but when it's abuse, suddenly, it's not like rush to judgment. I don't know. I'm just gonna say what I'm thinking right away. I'm not gonna. Ich nehme dich on, or I'm not. Ich wende dich op. Maybe when we hear Tamasa from a Ponzi scheme, is it usually the größer, was hat geponzi schemed von der kleiner. Meaning, what's the chances that a kleiner Mensch geht Ponzi scheme von dem größten Äuscher? So we are like also maybe kind of biased, or it also kind of makes sense. But abuse, hold on. Ich verstehe, dass du a kleinere mit aggressor, but sometimes they 15-year-old, so wie in Gaza, man sagt, oh, he was just a boy from 15, but they 15-year-old boy in Gaza can help him get a gun wie a 35-year-old. Is an adult, in a sense. So das selbe Sache. If meaning, a day kind hat ausgefigert a trick, sie heranbleiben einem, you know? It's just a thought, I'm not saying it is. It's called blaming the victim. No, I'm just saying this is a field of the bat. I'm not saying if you're right, it's wrong, you know? Oh, yeah. Itcha, hello and welcome. It's not I'm saying that you're wrong, I'm just... my 15-year-old is a kid. Yeah, but in some instances, it's not. In some instances, a 15-year-old kid is not a kid. In some instances. Would you say a 15-year-old kid in Gaza that has been indoctrinated by Hamas is a 15-year-old kid who's going to of eel drive? Why would he do that? That's I don't know. I don't know why a kid would do that. I'm not saying that he would do that. I'm just saying, what could be the incentives? Machen Geld, machen a lawsuit. Could have been a misunderstanding. The kid has no point of lying. That's where I'm not really going for it. MCTS. Like a kid has no reason to lie. Like kids lie. Kids lie. Whatever. I don't want to get into it, but there has been instances where kids have said that I'm going to say that you abused me. because they know the power of it. Like back in the day, calling the police for child abuse. Everything is okay if the kid approaches them. That I don't know MCTS. I don't know the story. MC, do you host MCTS? Do you host a video from the story? Do you have information of the story? I don't. I mean, the little information I have, it might be totally wrong. I'm not. Ich kann Instagram. Brooklyn, ich kann Instagram. I don't have Instagram. I got no Instagram. What's the case number? I can bring it up. I have no idea. I don't even know that. I'm just saying what somebody said yesterday. It doesn't matter this particular story or a bigger issue of the cycle in our community. We keep doubting and not believing. That is terrible, yes. I agree with that. That Medaf gave me a platform for the Chevravus. In Ochet, I wegnemen the shame. I wegnemen the shame. There's no shame. Why is there a shame in that, you know? Gotta take away the shame.
All the whiskey has brought me pain, and all the money has brought me rain. Been so high and so full of pride, it all turned bad. With the blink of an eye, I lost all I can lose, falling down off a mountain of blue.
Yes, MCTS, it is a shame. It is a shame. I'm a gladnish.
I've got a problem.
We all have.
Please let me explain. Short, hot tempers, you know they drove me insane. Bad mistake, Yet no one's enough. Oh, because of a jealous love. I lost all I can lose. Falling down off a mountain of blue.
So much pain. There is so much pain. Oh yes, men het nicht keer is the shame. I guess they leave that part out, Brooklyn. They don't share. This is the part from the finish in the guide next. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Miss Mac, that's why I mic with the echo. To sound serious about these things. Gesehen, das hat Chaplin. Oh, I did see this video. Blood Bible in there.
Late last night.
Ooh.
About 3 a.m.
We have to dig into the story.
I woke up cold.
Try to help him do this. Ga zijn, dus je get trade yet. Terrible. Sorry.
I saw my baby.
Oh.
Lying deathless still.
I saw my baby.
It all came back to me.
Door hem läuft heraus.
Against my will. A flash of anger. You know I should have run. But instead I pulled my gun.
Ooh.
I lost all I can lose.
Viggy should call nachie.
Falling down off a mountain of blues. Hey, hey, hey.
Shiva call. Yeah. I'm not gonna do it live, bro. Not gonna. Gotta go find his number. Gaat er gered zien. Lost our message. I left him a voice message. The dog making Viggy angry. Need to repeat. What's that? It is in Israel, and I don't have his number. Chaba WhatsApp for him, but I don't think it's his number. So, but I sent him a.
Weather's turning, baby.
Oh yes.
Moving in from the south. The weather's turning, baby.
The weather is turning.
It's moving in from the south.
Did you ever slap the dog?
You gotta learn to live with all the things you can't live without.
It's an Ishman dog, so I don't have that. I only walk it whenever it's behaving well. So
Window,
no need.
I couldn't tell what was on your mind. Was that you at the window, baby?
The dog is yet of
I couldn't tell.
in a position in its life. Wie se versteht schon commands, se versteht alles. But now it's just going to push the buttons. Meaning, when he looks this guy up, it's not going to want to get off. It knows what you want, but it's just going to push the boundaries. So ich bin sehr baxi. Thank you, alles good.
All these pensive stares.
There you go. Appreciate.
You crucified the moon in your easy chair. Lose control, you wouldn't dare.
We're coming to a close, peoples. We're coming to a close.
Trembles
oh yeah.
Through the floor, feel it creeping, wanting more. A silent language, it's the key. Unlock the rhythm, set it free. The drum it pounds, the beat takes flight. Lose yourself now, the glow of night. The drum it pounds, the beat takes flight.
Can I send him my kids how to behave?
Lose yourself now.
Wat happened on the Viggy training camp. Wat happened on the Viggy training camp.
Let rhythm guide your body sway. Feel every pulse. No words to say.
Ich bin sehr sarcastic. Ich bin sehr different. So kids usually, after a few minutes, they like just go away. They look at me like, why are you saying these things? Don't say these things. The lowest brown pants. There you go. There you go. Slapping is never the answer. Until it is the answer. Until it is. By the way, MCTS, we spoke about it yesterday. Nicht du, but when we look back in our lives, a kind weiß, wenn sie kommt sich. Like, Einer echt in der Zeit Masse, he did this and this, whatever, in Schiel, und dann hat ihm gegeben ein paar Check. He knew, sie sich ihm gekommen. Like, he wasn't... There's a big difference between slap and unrasende Beiner. It's a big difference between geben fin Kas oder fin discipline. It's a big difference. I'm just saying, it's a big difference. Smack the like button, everyone. Thank you, bro. Sometimes keep on around with a boom. Should we open up a Viggy Strava club? I don't know. Ich like nicht auf Strava. Ich bin nicht echt auf Strava, man. Nobody gives a little slap. That's why kids behave like they
Mystery flows through my veins.
But even kids know when it's justified and when it's not. And sometimes they might even not know now, but they will know later. We could have a club there to count the steps. I want to say yes. It's not like I don't want to say yes. The question is, ich ga veel auf Strava. You know, I don't have it. It like introduces, I remember by biking, it introduced a whole nother situation. Let me think about it. Maybe it's all just in the cup, you know? If you don't give your kids a little patch when they are small, they're going to slap you when you're big. I never made that cheshbon.
Mystery flows through my veins. In the dark, I find my flame.
But Kinder verstehen the energy in a room, meaning, als kommt sich so, weißen sie. It's wenn sie kommt sich so nicht. Or that wasn't the answer. I'm just saying. Even a little step teaches fear, not respect. Nicht alles darf man respect. Respect is earned, nicht forced. Okay, ich hoffe, Pass do they move out of. And ich bin so eager to trade noch einmal. No, I'm gonna hold myself back. Mach mich rauslassen for 1 hour. Boom, maar uitgespart voor 1 show. Kann ich traden. Anyways, I feel as ich will. Kids learn from what they see. If you're hitting to solve problems, they most likely do the same. Yes, I agree with you, MCTS. But sometimes, when it is ruhig, there is a certain situation wie a patzel, but a slap on the wrist does good. Nicht unrasende Beiner, and not because you are pissed. And we can feel the energy. Kids feel this energy. Alright, Gevre. Alright. Sie kommen der Zeit, wie man darf sich sagen. MCTS, we'll have this conversation the next time we're live. So zog ich, Azamin slap, kimtza, noch the calming down, if you get what I'm saying. And if it doesn't happen, then you don't need it. All right, Kevin. I want to give thanks to everybody who's do gewesen. Alle likers, shares, commenters, subscribers. I want to say thanks for the ones who haben gezogen auf eine andere Tab. Und viele gemacht mit YouTube an der Tab, aber mich mind it. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate it. Housekeeping. So it's Tuesday, so live Tuesday. I am thinking and working on making Tuesdays members only, Banacht, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it will happen next week because Tuesday is in the middle of the week. And we'll game for members only, but we'll see what happens. That is with housekeeping. No, they will schicken a package to the Monday morning, 10 o'clock unboxing. I'll pin the address. Die willst. Geba kick. Geba schick. If you don't mind. If you mind, whatever the case. All right, everybody. Thank you all for being here. I really did and do appreciate you all for being here. Ich bin sehr grateful für euch zu sein. Ich denke, wenn ich vielleicht darf mal rausgehen, arbeiten. And it was terrible. And I do have the chance and the opportunity, and you guys are making it happen. So I really do appreciate you. All right. Until next time. When is the next unboxing? Monday morning. 10 o'clock. I'm going to make a separate videos once if I get more packages. But as of now, it's going to be Monday, 10 o'clock, 10:01 days. No, I don't know. It's not going to happen maybe today, the Tuesday thing, but I'm going to incorporate that. I'm going to start incorporating that. All righty. Thank you all for being here. And until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.